As you can see, the previous month was nearly $28,000 on this account. You see here the equity growth with all the trades that have been taken on gold. And you see it's a really massive uptrend, and we're making shit lot of money with this strategy setup. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a fantastic time. It's Raphael here, back again. Man, it's been a while. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas time and a happy new year. We haven't talked for a while because we were just working deeply in the code, and we launched our newest project, the GTFX Optimizer AI trading engine, our fully automated trading engine, which helps me personally to pursue my dreams to become a golf pro. Because when I first started to play golf 1.5 years ago, I've just fell in love with this sport, and I feel like this is the only sport where I have a chance to become a professional once, because all my life I've spent so much time in front of the computer because I wanted to make money and trade. So I've spent a lot of time in front of the computer, and I couldn't pursue my talent with sports. But now I have the feeling that with this golf sports, it's like, first of all, it's, for me on the golf course, I feel so happy, so free. You know, you are in a beautiful nature and you have fun playing golf with your friends, and it's just an amazing feeling. And I really want to train hard every day to be maybe one time a professional golf player. This is my goal, and everything started when I set this goal. I was thinking about how can I find a solution to get more time to play more golf, because when I'm in front of the charts during the New York session and the sun is shining and I could be on the golf course, it doesn't work like that. So I needed to find a solution to make sure that I can be on the course but still make money, you know. And this is when everything started, and this is when I talked to my best friends and trading buddies, and then we started to figure out how we can put all our knowledge inside a code that trades for us 100% fully automatic, and simultaneously on all these different kind of asset classes like forex, indices or commodities, gold, silver, all these kind of markets at the same time, without making mistakes, without even looking at the charts. I mean, without any stress, you know. So we came up with the idea, why not trying to create a trading AI, an automation, you know, something that can do our job without us being in front of the computer, so we can pursue our dreams or our hobbies or spend time with family, loved ones, and all that good stuff, instead of sitting in front of the computer all day, you know. And yeah, this is what we were working on the last year. That's why I was so quiet in YouTube, because I had to put my effort into it. I wanted to get it down as quickly as possible because time is running, and we are on a very special level now. We've updated this trading engine already, I don't know, maybe 13 times, and we have more than 80 functionalities inside that can manage risks, timings, everything. It's a crazy machine. And in today's video I want to show you how we are going to dominate the gold market in 2025, and it's going to be an amazing ride this year. I'm super excited because I'm going to spend a lot of time on the golf course. I know that for sure, and the machine is working in the background for me, okay? And I'm going to show you the results now for the beginning of the year, for January, and then overall the last year with all these different tests and everything. And yeah, let's get straight into my computer, and let's see what was happening here, okay? I was trading a little bit of gold, a little bit of Euro US dollar, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, a little bit of silver, all this stuff in here. As you can see, the previous month was January. We made nearly $28,000 on this account. It's It's around a $300,000 account at this moment. Started this one with around 200 something, and if we go to all history, we are already up 110,000. So this machine is working like crazy, and I don't have to spend time in front of the computer. Like this is really a blessing. And yeah, let me show you a little backtest of our gold strategy, because today I'm going to talk about how we are going to dominate the gold market this year. Okay, so we have developed a gold strategy with all these 85 different functionalities that we've put inside our trading algorithm, and this strategy was able to make 349% of profits during that time period from the 22nd of August 2022 until today. You see here the equity growth with all the trades that have been taken on gold, and you see it's a really massive uptrend, and we're making shit lot of money with this strategy setup. And the trade statistic here, you get some insights. We have $348,000 profit. We paid $11,000 commission. We have $15,000 in swap fees. The maximum balance drawdown was 16% only. The equity drawdown was 18.79%. So with the risk parameters that we have put in, I would say this is a medium kind of risk approach. Everything under 20%, between 10 to 20 is like a medium risk approach, I would say. And everything below 10% is low risk, and everything above 20 is kind of high risk. So this strategy is tweaked to a medium kind of risk appetite, with 228 trades, 122 were winning trades, 106 were losing trades. So yeah, this machine, I don't know what to say. I mean, it's just a blessing. You don't need to spend time in front of the computer, and this thing is taking trades, you know. When we check the history, we can go over all these trades and everything. And yeah, these trades are exactly the same trades which the software takes in the live market as well. Even if this is a backtest, it works on live market data. We don't have any lagging indicators in here. This is a system that is bulletproof, and it's gonna print shitload of money for us. We have already given the software to a few of our partners from Germany, from the UK. Some of the traders from our team already have their hands on the software, and it's been an incredible launch for now. The people making money, they are happy. They can spend time with whatever they want. That the system runs for them in the background, and it's crazy. And if you like to test the system, if you want to see what this thing is capable of, if you want to learn more about it, and yeah, switch from a manual approach to a fully automated approach, so to make sure you don't have any more stress with trading, and to finally become a professional, profitable trader without doing anything. Okay, you just need to do a little mouse clicks. If this is something that interests you, you can now test our system, install our system 7 days for free. You don't need to pay anything. If you don't like it, that's perfectly fine. You don't need to pay anything. We're going to give you the software 7 days for free. You can check it out. You can test everything. We're going to give you access to our course where you can learn about all the functionalities, and so to make sure that you understand why this system works so well. And of course, we are going to show you a few of our live results as well. Some of our clients already passed FTMO challenges with our software. Some of them already made their first payout, and it's been an amazing ride, and I'm very excited about what's coming in the future. I'm gonna spend a lot of time on the golf course, and the system is going to print money for us in the background. It's going to be crazy. If you see this video now, make sure to be quick. Check the links down below in the description. Go on gtfx-optimizer.ai. If you speak English, click on the English flag. If you speak German, click on the German flag. Read about everything on the website and make sure to put your details in one of the forms on the website, and talk to us personally. We're gonna install it with you together, show you what this thing is capable of, send you the strategies that we are using so you can backtest them and see what's going on. And then yeah, it's going to be an amazing ride. Wish you a lovely day, and we see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.